The C50 transformer monitor can download data over a USB thumb drive or through web pages by a standard Ethernet cable or a USB A to B cable. Before we begin, make sure the unit is powered on. With a USB thumb drive, plug it into the USB Type A port labeled Host on the CPU module of the C50. The C50 IU screen will display a pop-up asking if you would like to download the files. Use the arrow keys and enter button to select OK. A downloading prompt will display on the screen. When the downloading prompt disappears, the download is complete, and you can remove the thumb drive from the device. The C50 supports both standard Ethernet cable and USB A to B cable, where both can be used to access the web pages. With a USB A to B cable, first install the C50 USB driver version 2.1 or later onto your computer. The driver should be supported by Windows. If the driver does not automatically update via Windows, it can be downloaded from Dynamic Ratings Customer Portal. Plug the USB cable into the C50 device port on the CPU module. After plugging in, your laptop will automatically begin setting up the device. The IP address with the USB cable can always be accessed by 10.0.0.1, which can be entered into the web browser without having to change your computer's IP address. You can find the IP address on the C50 by selecting F3, which brings up the system settings. To set up your C50 IP address on your computer, open up your network and internet status and click Change Adapter option. This will display all your Ethernet connections. Double-click on one of your connections and go to the properties. Select the IPv4 option and double-click it. Then select Use the following IP address. Enter an IP address that is similar to the C50 IP address, with the first 3 sets of numbers being the same and the 4th set being different. The subnet mask will automatically fill in when you hit Tab on your keyboard. The rest of the spaces are to remain blank. Click OK and close the pop-ups. With a standard Ethernet cable, plug the cord into the Ethernet port on the C50 CPU card. With your cable plugged in, enter the IP address by either method into your browser. You will have an alert screen appear, which is bypassed by clicking Advance and Proceed to the IP address. Once you reach the IP address, log into C50 and go to the Downloads tab. From the drop-down menu, select which data files you would like to download. You will see they will be saved onto your computer in a zip folder. Open up the folder to access all the data from the C50 transformer monitor. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.